did I ever tell you about how Frank Sr. and I got engaged?
No.
Well, we were young, but we'd been keeping company for a few years, and I knew he was the man for me, and he knew I was the woman for him. But he got scared.
I did not know that.
And you know how men are. Weaker than tea steeped in cold water. But he saw the light. He proposed to me that very next day. Marriage is hard work. And nobody's perfect.
I just don't want you to be angry with me anymore. I can't take it.
And you know what you have to do.
The Chicken Sisters on Hallmark Channel.